Hey, guys. I am back at it again. New Year's Eve. And the clock is winding down for 2021. My gosh. How are you going into 2021, guys? That's what I hop on here tonight to speak with you. So, guys, if you're new to me, my name is Georgette, and thank you for visiting my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hang on. Don't subscribe as yet until the end. Please like, please share, leave your notifications on so you know when I bring you a video. Also, leave me a comment and interact with me. I do respond to all comments. I certainly do. So guys, it is my last video for 2020. And what a privilege it has been for me to share my journey with you. For me to share about limiting beliefs and how to empower yourself. For me to inspire you and to motivate you. What a privilege it has been. It has truly been a privilege for me, guys. And I thank you for watching. I thank you for visiting. I have persons that have shared my videos. And I am truly grateful for you. And so, real quick, real short, and sweet and spicy, I'm going to just share with you how I am going into 2021. And I would suggest for you to do the same. To see a different result, you must do something that's different, first of all. Are you going into 2021 with expectancy? What are you expecting? That's the question. You know, become clear. What is it you're expecting for 2021? You know? And as midnight, at my time, it's about after 7, some minutes to 8 o'clock here, my time. And as the clock is winding down, and I believe about 11:45, 11:45, I am going to go into gratitude. And when I go into gratitude, I like to be grateful for things that money cannot buy. And I like to be grateful, guys, we take things for granted. You take your 10 fingers for granted. You take your eyesight for granted because you wake up every day and you can see. You take your hearing for granted. You take your 2 legs and your 2 hands and arms for granted. And so every morning I have my gratitude journal that I write in my gratitude every morning. I have an hour-long routine that I do every morning. And one of them is my gratitude journal. And I write in my gratitude journal and then I read it aloud morning. And then before I go to bed, what I wrote that morning, I read it again aloud. You see, I was not genuine about my gratitude. You know, before I started my journey this year, I would just be grateful for sure when I'm eating my meal. Thank you, Lord, for this food that I'm about to eat. Made it do my body's good. Bless those that don't have. You know, and I would just say that, just roll it off my tongue. Wake up in the morning and say, oh, I'm so grateful for being alive and well. But you see, all the persons that mentors me, I would listen to them. And they would talk about gratitude. That when you release gratitude into the universe, that, oh my gosh, you are blessed with more. Release into the universe, into the atmosphere, that you are grateful for life. And then your life will be extended. Be grateful for great health. Be grateful for great health. Be grateful for your limbs. I know persons that are wheelchair bound. Young lady, and she's been wheelchair bound for years. One of her legs is off. You know, and so we take for granted that we can move, that we can just pick something up. We can just pick something up and hold in our hands when some people can't even hold things in their hands. We take these things for granted. And what we tend to do and sometimes all may not be going well. But guys, find something to be grateful for, even if that is the quickest way for you to get the things that you desire, is to be grateful for what you have now. Yes, if you don't have the money for the rent, well, you just don't have it. What are you going to do? Stress about it? You don't have it. Tell your landlord you don't have it right now. But it's coming. You see? You're releasing those words. It's coming. You don't have it right now, but it's coming. So just give me a few more days. It's coming. And keep saying, thank you. All is well. All is well. Thank you. You know, so go into 2021 with gratitude and expectancy. What is expectancy? What do you desire? What are you expecting to happen in your life for 2021? I posted something this morning. If you're a friend of mine on Facebook, go and comment under my post. I posted this morning on Facebook, and I posted, only good things lies ahead. You see if you can declare that, and then at the end of it say thank you in advance. That's the gratitude. All day long, I've been on the road. I've been doing some stuff. Now I'm in for the evening. We have a curfew of 10 p.m. So no celebration is going on, which I'm fine. I am quite fine. I have my little bubbly champagne. I'm going to pop it, and I'm going to go into gratitude about 15 minutes prior to midnight. You know, and I'm not going to ask for anything. I'm just going to be grateful because in the beginning of 2020, none of us knew we were going to be here. When March came, and this virus came out, none of us knew we were going to be here. And look at us. Here we are. We are here December 31st, counting down for 2021. Let us be grateful, guys. And all may not be going well. Things may be breaking down. The bills may be due and you don't know where it's coming from. I ask you to listen to me, please. And I ask you just to go in severe gratitude. Go, let the year end you and go into 2021 just being grateful. I'm going to be walking around my house just being grateful. I'm grateful for my roof over my head. I am grateful for the food that I eat. I am grateful for my warm, cozy bed upstairs. I am grateful for my 10 fingers. I am grateful for my 10 toes. I'm going to be going through a severe gratitude as we count down. And the expectancy that I am going to be releasing out there is that all things are working out for my highest good. Thank you. Thank you. And the next one is only great things lies ahead. So I change up my words and I just release positive words into the universe. Because when you do that, the divine, God, the universe goes out with those words that you release and find opportunities and find resources and find influential people to locate you to cause everything to be great in your life. So only great things lies ahead for me. Georgette, only great things lies ahead for you, girlfriend. And everything is working out for my highest good. Guys, if you can declare those things over your life right now and do it every day with repetition. We know that we have to do the thing over and over and over. Don't just do it this evening, but you do it again tomorrow. That all is well. Thank you. That only great things lies ahead for me. And that all things are working out for my highest good. And be grateful. Thank you. Be grateful in advance. Thank you. Be grateful. Thank you. Gratitude is the key. I did not know that one time ago. Gratitude is the key to prosperity, to wealth. Gratitude is the key to success, for your dreams and your goals and your desires to come to you. Gratitude is the doorway. I learned that. I wasn't this passionate about being grateful because I'm thinking I'm going to wait for the thing to come then to be grateful for it. No way, Jose. No, 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 no. You be grateful first. And then that thing, you attract that thing to you. Yeah? So guys, that's all I have for you. My last video for 2020 on YouTube. I am so grateful for all of you that watch. I'm so grateful for all of you that interact with your girl. I'm so grateful for all of you that message me or leave a message that I totally inspire you. That's what I strive to do. I learned a lot of stuff and I'm continuing to learn. And as I learn, I share that information with you. And I am pleased and I am happy that I can inspire and motivate you. Because most of my videos, I watch them back again and I inspire myself as well. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, that's all I have for you for 2020. I ask you now to smash in the subscribe. Yes. Like, share, leave a comment for me and put your notifications on. I'm going to leave for you a link below. And that teaches you about gratitude. It reprograms your mindset, how you look at things on the external of you, and let you understand that everything is within you. It's powerful. If you want to change your life for 2021, click on the link. It's an audio that is going to give you a lot of information. Nothing to purchase first. You first listen to all the information, and then you make that decision for yourself. I'm also going to leave you a quick 10-minute read with some great information, my free ebook. I'm going to leave the link for you. I'm going to leave the link so you grab your free ebook, grab the information in the audio. Oh my gosh, if you want to change your life, you want to listen, you want to grab the free gift and listen into the program that I'm going to leave the link for you. Guys, I'm going to leave other videos popping up. Continue watching. I love you. I send you love and light. Happy New Year. Much blessings and prosperity, great health, wealth, and success. May all your dreams, may all your desires come through this year 2020 as you work daily on your goals and your dreams. It's your girl, Georgette. I send you love and light. Bye-bye.